In the quaint village of Molepolole, Botswana, a lively pair of siblings named Sarah and Safwat resided. At the tender age of 5, Sarah was an ever-curious soul, while her 9-year-old brother Safwat played the role of her guardian and partner in mischiefs. Their shared passions included savoring burgers, belting out songs, and embarking on exciting journeys. Their parents led a humble, hard-working life. Their father, a diligent agriculturist, nurtured the fertile fields enveloping their home. In contrast, their mother ran a small venture known as Nima Auto in the bustling heart of Molepolole. One radiant Saturday morning, the family made the decision to venture to the capital city, Gaborone. Stories of the exceptional shopping experience at Choppy's Hyper had reached their ears, and it was high time for a family excursion. They all climbed into their reliable old car, brimming with anticipation for the impending adventure. Upon reaching Gaborone, the city's vibrant life and soaring buildings, a far cry from their tranquil village existence, filled them with exhilaration. Eventually, they found themselves at Choppy's Hyper. This colossal supermarket, with its infinite aisles stocked with groceries and all sorts of treats, was truly a sight to behold. They parked their car and wasted no time in exploring the store. They found everything they were looking for: groceries, beverages, and most importantly, burgers. The sight of the burger aisle made Sarah's eyes sparkle, and Safwat couldn't resist grabbing a couple for himself. They also picked up some fresh vegetables for their home. Having completed their shopping, they headed for the checkout. The siblings couldn't help themselves and began singing their favorite songs as they waited in line, much to the amusement of the fellow shoppers. Back in their car, they decided to extend their adventure with a detour. Gaborone had so much to offer, and they yearned to discover more. They drove to a picturesque park by the Gaborone Dam, where they savored a picnic lunch of their beloved burgers. The children played on the swings and sang to their heart's content, while their parents looked on with beaming smiles. As daylight gave way to the evening, the family embarked on their journey back to Molepolole. Their hearts were brimming with joy, and their stomachs were content with burgers. This simple excursion to the capital had turned into a memorable experience for the entire family. A day marked by laughter, love, and the sheer joy of togetherness. Thus, Sarah and Safwat, the adventurous siblings, continued their worldly explorations, one burger at a time, backed by the unwavering support of their devoted parents. The memories of their delightful trips to Gaborone would forever remain etched in their hearts.